Hi guys, it's me Shanzi and you watching your favorite channel Shanzi Designer. Today is my video on baby girls frock designs for Eid. Super stunning and attractive ideas for baby girls Eid wear. Amazing collection, easy to stitch, easy to wear and easy to carry for your baby girl. You can see guys in this video casual wear and Eid wear dresses for your baby girl in summer season. As you can see guys, very beautiful and creative ideas related to latest fashion, latest ideas in this video for you. If you want to watch more fashion related videos, please come on my channel and watch my all videos. I hope you like my all videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share with others. Very brilliant ideas in this video for your kids. If you worry about your daughter's dressing on this Eid, so don't worry. Watch my video till the end and choosing one dress for your daughter. I share 40 plus ideas in this video for your daughter's dressing designs. You must tell me in comment section which one you choosing your daughter. All designs in this video you can stitch at home. So guys, enjoy this video till the end. Bye bye.